Moving on, 27th October 2021 marks the 75th Infantry Day. The historical day commemorates the sacrifices of Indian soldiers. Celebrations have been termed as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. It began in Srinagar by laying of a wreath at the Sikh War Memorial, an air show which was held which reenacted the landing of Indian soldiers in Srinagar in 1947. WION's Srinagar correspondent Idris Lone brings us this next report. Take a look.
Indian Army is celebrating 75th anniversary of landing in the Kashmir Valley. They are celebrating today and reenacting how the Indian Air Force, Indian Army landed in Kashmir Valley, and you can see in your visuals is the same aircraft Dakota which was used 75 years ago by the Indian Army and Indian Air Force to bring the forces to Kashmir Valley. It has been restored in England in 2011 and we saw it flying also today. The celebrations are a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and Indian Army as well as Indian Air Force reenacted a historic event wherein Pakistani forces tried to attack Kashmir and how Indian Air Force and Indian Army together with the Jammu and Kashmir forces at that point of time evicted the Pakistani forces. The Budgan landings are the first military operations of independent India when Indian Army was inducted by the Indian Air Force at Budgam Airport on this day, 27th of October in 1947. First Sikh regiment under the command of Lieutenant Colonel Dewan Ranjit Rai, who later laid down his life at Baramulla, changed the course of the war. We are being told that wherein people and soldiers of the State Force of Jammu and Kashmir and the Indian Army fought together. And now in your visuals, you're seeing the same aircraft which was used by the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force in 1947 being restored. And today there was an enactment of the same how Indian Army and Indian Force were brought in at the Srinagar airport to fight the enemy. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Lone for WION World is One.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.